Hello my friends, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. I have a little unboxing for you today. I'm Sheree, my channel is Turquoise Dreaming. Thank you for joining me today. Let me show you what I got. So this is from Globleland.com, and they, once in a while ask me to demonstrate some things, so I got a few goodies. I like to pick out things that I know I can use in my junk journals. So that's what I try to do, is just, make sure there's something I'm going to use. Well, that's just a little packing slip. So I already looked at them. They were they came in that bubble envelope. They have a packing slip, and everything was in one of these little Ziploc bags, which I like to reuse in my orders usually, or for organizing my craft room and, things around in my craft room or whatever, wherever they are. So if you get an order with this in it, I like to explain it because I don't want people to think I bought whatever is in here and sent it to them. It's just that I reuse these bags. So, and they have this little, barcode on there. Maybe I could cover it up. That would be a good challenge. Decorate the bag a little bit with even what came in it. Maybe we'll try that during this video, see what that looks like. I've never done that before, but that's actually a good idea. So I got lots of stickers, from other companies, but I don't think I got a lot of well, I know I didn't get any butterfly stickers. I didn't get any packages of butterfly stickers. So I saw these on Globleland. So let me show you. Because I have a lot of, you can cut up, if you have scraps, you want to cut it up and add a butterfly. You can make a really simple tag with a butterfly or a journal card or something like that. Some piece of ephemera, decorate really a guest check, anything like that, with a simple little butterfly sticker. And it is just so cute. You can use the sticker, pull the paper off the back and use the sticker, or you can just use it as a piece of like this, as like a die cut, and just sew it on, staple it on, whatever you might want to do. So add it to a cluster. But let me show you what I just thought. These were so pretty. And like I said, I don't have any packages of butterfly stickers. I don't know why I don't, because, I think I wanted some. I just never got around to finding an actual package. I don't know if they didn't have them in the other company I was, been looking at. But anyway, let me show you these, because I just thought they were so pretty. And we'll just kind of like flip through these real quick. And I'll show you. I think there's only, let me see. And we'll see if we see any repeats. But just, they're really pretty colors, bright, pretty, just pretty. And that's what I wanted, just really pretty stickers for this. There's the butterfly right there. So all different colors, as you can see. And they're all butterflies in this package. So pretty, I can't wait. So I'm going to do 2 other videos for Globleland after this video, one per week in the next couple of weeks. And I will show you how I'm going to use these and what I'm talking about, and which I can't wait, because I almost feel like butterflies are kind of a generic decoration, because they just, who doesn't love a butterfly? You can put some, whatever you decorate the butterfly and use to decorate the butterflies with. You can use it just about in any journal, I would think. So we'll see how many things we can add butterflies to. I may end up ordering some more of these. But yes, Globleland.com, and I'll have a little coupon for you in my description box. And it's 10% off your order. So if you've never gone to Globleland.com, you might want to just take a peek over there to see what they have. They have all kinds of stuff. I've gotten dies, and lots of other things. They have lots of dies and just things like that. So I think they have, well, they just have lots of crafty items is what it is. It's a craft supply type website. So that's that one package, all of those, and it's quite a few, quite a lot in one package there. And these were not expensive, so that was another thing. The price, if I was actually paying for them, the price, and I want to go get back and get more, the price was really good. So this package, I think, had other things. Let's see. I think it had other things besides butterflies. But I thought I could definitely use, even if it does have all butterflies. Let's see. Are these repeating? Not so far. But even if it does have all butterflies, it's different from the other pack. And I thought I could use them. And so we shall see what I can do with these. Yeah, I just want to run through them real quick so you can see all the different variety. Like, who knew there were so many? Oh, I like this one. Look at this one. It's kind of really different. Looks like a fairy almost. Isn't that pretty? And just about every color you can imagine. If you're doing like a color themed journal, you could use these types of things. Find all the certain color that you're doing. Or even look at these. This is almost like a neutral. If you're doing it more neutral and you don't want anything too colorful, that one's not too colorful. This is kind of fall looking. It almost looks like fall leaves, right? So look at this one. I guess some of these look like moths too to me. But so gorgeous. See, that one goes like that. Oh, look at this red one. Here's another neutral looking one. So yeah, everything you could possibly want in a butterfly sticker. Oh, what is this, a flower? There's a flower in here. I wonder if that's a mistake. They threw a flower in here by mistake. Let's see if there's any other. Oh, there's another flower. Okay. That's cool. I don't mind flowers in here. Who doesn't love a flower sticker, right? And oh, look at this one. Pretty pink one. So yeah, lots of butterflies. And then, you know, I have washi, but I wanted to pick out a couple of really pretty, just pretty washies, you know, like pretty, like flowery, kind of almost generic, but pretty, like with color. So let me show you what I picked out. This one has more, this one's pink and blue, which I feel like could go in a lot of journals. Like, and there's so many different uses for washi, but I wanted something that wasn't too wide. So this is like the perfect width that I wanted. And like if I want to join pages together, add a little, use it for a trim, add a little strength somewhere at the top of a page, or, you know, add it to a tag or a drawing card as a decoration. But this one is, like I said, pink and blue. Here's that. Let me show you this right here. And then let me show you how it looks here. And then I'll show you in my further, you know, next videos when I actually use it, what it looks like on paper and things like that. And different, it might even look different on different colors, because it's like when I put it in my hand, you can see it gets a little darker. And when I pull it out like this, it looks like lighter colored. So, but it's pink and blue. You can see like it's pink with white polka dots, a bluish here, like diamonds, with a pretty light pink design, and then the pretty flower in the middle. And that's what I meant by I just wanted a pretty washi. And there's a lot on here. So you can see it's not just a little kind of little tiny thing with a little bit of washi on it. You get quite a bit on there. So yeah, really pretty. Again, yeah, really pretty. And so, what did I say we were going to do before the video is over? I forget now. I had a great idea and I forgot what it was. Oh, cover up those bags. I want to see if we can cover up those bags. That's right. Okay, so this one is yellow based, and it's floral, but it has like bikes on it, you know, bicycles, two-wheeled bicycles, and some Eiffel Towers. So again, if I just want an overall pretty washi tape, and also I wanted it to be, you know, regular washi tape, not, because I've gotten some from the Dollar Tree that are they're really thick. And it almost makes the page, like if I put it on to join a page, it almost makes it too, like it's nice and sturdy because I glue it down to make sure it's going to stick, but it almost makes it a little stiff. So I wanted to try something like this, a really pretty one that wasn't like that papery washi tape. It's regular, you know, not too, I'm not going to say it's super thin, but it's not thick like the Dollar Tree paper. More like a paper washi tape. This is more than regular washi tape. Anyway, let me show you the colors. There's flowers, like they look like cherry blossoms, and the Eiffel Tower, and Oh, it looks like there's a postmark on here, and oh, a hot air balloon, and bikes, like I said. So just a really, again, another just kind of a generic, pretty washi that I could use if I needed it in any journal. And that's exactly what I was going for. So let's try and see what these butterflies looks like, because I just thought of that just now. I think this could be fun. So these bags, like, I have actually, had trouble with this, using these, because they have, well, these are blank. Let's see. Oh, no, here's the barcode over here. Okay, so let's see what the butterflies look on here. Let's pick out a nice wide one that maybe would cover up. Will it cover up this? So yeah, it just about covers it up. Let's see, now this first package I showed you right here has some pretty good size. Let's see if there's some big ones in here too. Like this is a big solid one here. How does that, oh, that really covers up one. So that would look cute, right? If I save these for my orders, and because I always hesitate because it has the barcode on there. Like, what are people going to think, right? I don't want them to think I bought this somewhere and then sold it. It's something I made, but it's coming in a little bag with a barcode, and I made it, but I don't want them to think I didn't make it, whatever. So yeah, let's do that one. I would like to find one with more color, or some with more color here. That's a nice big solid one. This one, let's see, are these different sizes? No, these barcode stickers are just about all the same size. So let's look for another big butterfly here. I need 3 more to cover up these particular bags right here. And this is a whole new ball game. If I can cover these up and make them look pretty, then I won't feel bad using them, because, I covered up. Oh, here's a big one. Oh, that's perfect. See? Oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And all I did was put a butterfly on there. But perfect use for my butterflies here. Now, I don't mind probably if it's showing a tiny bit, because this one mostly covers up this bag right here. So we got this one completely covers, this one completely covers. And so I found those 3 big ones in here. See how these are a little smaller. And like I said, it doesn't have to probably completely cover it up, but if it did, I would like that best. So here's our first demonstration. No, I'm going to do 2 more videos. Well, this one's pretty big. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. Yes. There's a little bit showing, like a little bit less than this one. Okay, any more big ones in here? Well, this one's really big here. And I think that's all the big ones in here. So this one's really big. Let's put it over here. This one completely covers, that one completely covers, and that one just about completely covers. So let's see if there's a big one in here real quick. Okay, so, oh, this is pretty big here. Let's see that. I'll probably end up putting all these together. Oh, that one completely covers. Okay, so cool. And then I keep these little bags too. Well, actually, I'm probably going to store this. Well, these probably don't all fit in one of those little bags, but if I wanted to store one in here, I could. But let's do this. Let's see how the back peels off here. Let's see if I can get it pretty quickly. If I can't, I will. Oh, here it comes. Yeah, I see a little bit of something there, like it's starting to separate. There we go. Okay. Okay, let's see how sticky it is. Oh, it's very sticky. I'm sure it's going to stick really good on this plastic bag. But yeah, I like that idea that I can actually add these to my shipping supplies now. And they have a pretty little butterfly. I love it. Because, I mean, I hate to throw these away. They're such, I mean, these are nice. This is a really thick one, and these are kind of regular thickness. But they're Ziploc bags. They're nice little bags that I can put something in. Oh, that came right off. Okay, let's put that one here. That sticker's a little crooked, the barcode. So let's see how I can cover that up nicely. Nice. Okay. So, I mean, you could even use these for other purposes besides what I'm using them for, as far as, you know, if you have little bags like this, maybe you have other ways to use them. And even if you're just using them for storage in your craft room, then you have a pretty little bag with a butterfly on it to store your goodies in. Or what you could do is, whatever you're storing in it, say you have a bunch of another type of sticker, like, you know, whatever it may be, travel stickers or flowers or whatever, you could put one of them on the front as an example of what's in the, even though you can see through it, you can be like, just have it decorated with one of those stickers. You just have some pretty little storage bags like that for your craft room or your craft area or whatever, your craft desk. So there you go. I like it. I'm so excited. I don't know. It's simple, but really cute. There we go. Okay. I love it. All right. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed today's. That was it. That's everything I got. Just the 4 things this time. And, you know, it's, I'll tell you, it's, if I got more than, like, say I could spend more money, but I got more than 4 things, it's hard to get everything demonstrated because I've done that before. So it's hard to get, if you get more than 3 or 4 things in these types of video, it's hard to get all the demonstrations of those in the 2, you know, 3 videos that you're supposed to do. So that's why I just kind of get 3 or 4 things and leave it at that and do my best to demonstrate the 3 or 4 things. So thank you to Globleland. I love these stickers. They're so pretty. And the washi. I can't wait to use these some more. And stay tuned. I, you know, do a video every day if you're new to my channel. And I really appreciate you watching and so excited to craft with you every day. So I will see you in my next video. Have a great weekend, a great Saturday, and I'll see you then.